What's this? Stage 5 emergency.
Good news. All right, we'll see you guys. Thank you. Bye.
I'm 14,
So you
and
don't
then I
have
got
a
to do
14?
16.
How am I supposed to take a picture of it when you don't even have 14 on there?
I know it, man. I mean,
You failed in your prep here. Yeah, but sitting here, that's definitely a battery killer.
It's quite the fabricated TV.
I wanted to get to California on this old gal, so I called it Cali. So.
How corny is that?
Oh, Dad, come on.
It's that anyways. I know.
All right.
That's
So, tell me about Eva.
Eva. Well, when I started with this one, I realized everything was evil and bad and wicked. You couldn't find parts, and once they announced the Cannonball, everybody that had a part wanted twice as much for that part. So everything was just evil and wicked, and I thought, I'll paint it black and call it Eva.
I went to college at University of Kentucky. It's where I got my engineering degree, and that's where I met my wife and fell in love. So I've got a lot of fond memories of Lexington, Kentucky.
All right.
But it was just so funny. You gotta be blessed after eventually.
she's running great. Get to the Mississippi today. I'm excited. I hope we go over the same bridge. I'm blessed. Yeah.
Being headed with the green flag or something.
I miss you, honey.
Good luck.
Jacob, Lindsay, I'll see you guys soon.
The mornings are still a little, just waiting around to go. But once I'm on the road, I'm loving every minute of it. So having fun.
I think worse than the riding has been just wrenching on the bike. Steve and I and John, our support person, we've been out in that parking lot until about 1, 2 o'clock each morning. So tonight the big goal is to actually get a dinner and sleep, and I think we're going to be able to hit that, assuming nothing goes wrong today. But who knows on the Cannonball what happens. So.